25 Ford Maverick, 26,913. 25 Ford Bronco Sport Big Bend 4x4, 33,411. 24 Ford Expedition XLT, 61,800. Ray Warner Ford, local you trust with deals you can count on.
All right, here we go again, my friends. 2 days of severe weather that's going to ramp up around our region, and that does include us here in East Tennessee. Happy Monday, by the way. All right, got a strong cold front off to our west. Got a warm front, and that's being draped across the area. That's going to be the focus for some strong to severe thunderstorms throughout the day today. But the cold front's going to be the risk as we get into the day tomorrow. So here's that risk level today. We've got a level 1, 2, 3, and 4 risk over into Oklahoma. So if you know anybody in Oklahoma or across the Great Plains, might want to reach out to them today. Tomorrow, that shifts its way across the Tennessee Valley in the southeastern U.S. That puts us under a level 1 and 2 risk for severe storms. So let's talk about today first. We've got a medium category for damaging wind and large hail. Low category, but never say never. Just doesn't look likely with tornadoes. And isolated flooding and flash flooding can't be ruled out if you get some good solid downpours and you've gotten a lot of rain over the last week or so. Here's the level 1, level 2 south of Interstate 40, level 1 north, Tri-Cities and Upper East Tennessee from Greenville to Rogersville, not underneath a severe thunderstorm or a watch or anything like that or a risk level. But we are talking about the greatest risk to be south of Interstate 40, say from Cumberland County all the way down into southern Blount County for hail, wind, and again, tornadoes are not looking likely. Let's pick up our futurecast this morning, 7 o'clock. We have had those high-level clouds. We've got that westerly, northwesterly flow taking shape. By noon, we're going to be doing just fine. Here comes a complex of thunderstorms as we head into the afternoon. So we're going to heat up the atmosphere. Complex of weakening thunderstorms anyways comes racing in with that northwesterly flow. So as we get into the afternoon, early evening hours, showers and thunderstorms, locally heavy rainfall, damaging wind, and large hail would be the main threat. So make sure you download the East Tennessee Weather app, scan that QR code on the bottom right-hand side of the screen, and stay alerted of what's going on because tomorrow we also have a level 1, 2, and nearly a 3 risk for us here in East Tennessee again. And that's associated with that cold front that I just showed you at the beginning. So let's talk about that. Medium category, again, damaging wind and large hail. Low category, there is a chance for isolated tornadoes on Tuesday into Wednesday, and we'll keep it isolated for the flooding and flash flooding concerns as this blasts its way on through. So let's time that out for you. I'm going to pick up our timeline at 7 o'clock Tuesday night. Again, this looks like it's going to be a late evening, early overnight hours. There's 10 o'clock at night. Here's our storm system, starts to race its way on in. So similar to what we had just a couple of days ago, there's midnight, and then we're going to come into the 2 o'clock hour. Showers and thunderstorms, severe weather, that's going to blast its way to the south and southeast, and we'll see improving conditions. Now back behind this cold front, yes, we're going to see a lot of rainfall over the next couple of days in isolated locations, but B, there is a silver lining to the forecast, and that is improving weather conditions with more sunshine, dry air, and that's going to make the air feel so much more comfortable. Not to mention, temperatures come on down from the mid-80s today and tomorrow, upper 70s on Wednesday, low 70s Thursday, Friday, and we'll stay that way as we get into Saturday and Sunday with maybe a couple of chances for a few stray showers, but the general idea is back behind our Tuesday cold front, we will trend on the drier side. Scan that QR code, download the East Tennessee Weather app, allow notifications, allow GPS location services, turn that all on as the possibility of strong to severe thunderstorms ramps back up around East Tennessee. Have a great day. More updates at noon. I'll be highlighting it. I'll be tracking it. And if I need to go live to do severe weather coverage, of course, you'll know. I'll send a push notification.